Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of winter collection. It's totally crochet winter collection. So please don't skip the video viewers, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful designs and beautiful ideas. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most amazing designs of handmade crochet winter collection. I really hope that they will love these beautiful ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and most amazing designs of crochet dresses. Must apply and must make these beautiful designs for yourself for more beautiful and classical look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's a most amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So viewers, if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.